Hello, my name is Joanna, and I completed the MSc in Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics at UCD from 2019 to 2021 as a Canadian international student. I absolutely loved my time in Ireland. Living in such a vibrant and warm and welcoming country was such a highlight. And the staff at UCD were incredibly supportive and genuinely cared about our learning and well-being. I met such amazing people while living in Dublin who have now become lifelong friends, and we definitely had our fair share of fun and good crack along the way. The dietetics program itself gave me a really solid foundation. From the strong academic curriculum to the hands-on placement experiences, I left feeling really confident and well prepared. And when I returned to Canada, I registered as a dietitian, and I now work at one of the largest acute pediatric hospitals, and I absolutely love my job there. I truly can credit the UCD program for setting me up for success in my role. If you're thinking about becoming a dietitian, I really can't recommend the MSc program at UCD highly enough.